bought the least expensive outdoor camera that did not require a subscription and that had like tens of thousands of great reviews, and it is this one. So today we're gonna unbox it, set it up, and I'm gonna let you know what I think. The reasons I bought this is because I don't wanna have to drill anything into my door. It is included, and this is called a door chime. So you can plug this in, and then that way when someone presses the doorbell, you can hear it inside your house. All right. Oh, okay. This is the rechargeable cord. Why is that so satisfying? Let's get started. It has like the thing that you can peel off so you can just stick it, which is one of the reasons I wanted it. But if you do want to screw it in, there are holes here, and it does come with the mounting. What you do is you take that little pin and you drive it into this hole, and this will pop off. So you can drill that in, and then you just snap this into place. But I'm going to just mount it with adhesive, plug this in, and then we're gonna see. You have to download the app and all that. I'm gonna show you that in a minute. I love it because it has a wide angle lens on it, and it is 2.4 Wi-Fi, so it is not compatible with 5G. I did want to mention that. And I like that it has AI intelligence so that it understands not to record like a car driving by, or a dog or something like that, because that will really run your battery down. Everybody said that they could let theirs go 3 to 4 months without recharging it, and then you just recharge it with this. So let's say you have multiple family members, up to 8 people can see this camera, 3 can view simultaneously, and 1 can talk. Only 1 person can talk through, because it does have two-way communication. They are live notifications, and you do not have to have a subscription. I know there is something where you can like buy a subscription, but I don't think I'm gonna do that because mostly I'm just using it for when people are at my front door. It does have day and night vision, is 1080, the camera quality, two-way audio, and you can watch and communicate real time from anywhere as long as you have the app on your phone. So I'm gonna put mine right here. So I just wiped this down with rubbing alcohol, and now we're gonna mount this. Pull off the backing and then stick it to the wall. Simple as that. So you take this little key that they send, and there's a dot right here, just press down and this will pop off. All right, so after you open it, that little sticker right there, you need to remove that before you check the battery level light. It says to charge this for like 10 hours, so let me go do that. I just plugged it into my laptop like that. Take that little key that I was showing you and press that button, and then it will say like
entering pairing mode.
So I would say after you get it unboxed, go ahead and plug it in and get it all charged while you are setting up the app, which is what I'm gonna do now. You're gonna plug this in, and then you're gonna press that little button right there, and it's pairing, and then you gotta press, and then you'll know it's connected. IWIT app, doorbell app, okay? Get it? Cell phone and tap sign up. Sure, allow, sign up, agree, and then just do this part. Activate your account, back to the app, and then I guess you have to log in again. Okay, setup guide. Add device, and this one is a video doorbell. Would like to use Bluetooth, allow. What is the video? T50 is the model name. There we go. Press and hold the device button for 8 seconds until the red light is flashing. Red light is not flashing. All right, hold on.
Power on. Entering pairing mode.
Go to your iPhone settings, connect to 2.4. Yeah, it is. Return to the app, tap next. Okay, now it's searching for Bluetooth device. Okay, there we go. And the password? Ooh,
entering pairing mode.
I'm going to show you how it looks on your phone. So if somebody walks up and presses the doorbell. Once it's charged, all you're going to do is take it and go, just kind of snap it into place like that. And you see how it's telling me, hey, somebody's at the front door. So then you hit that, and then it's open, and you can see, and you can hear that reverb. That's me. All in all, I am thrilled with this camera. I mean, for the price, this is insanely good quality. Let me know what you guys think. Bye-bye.